The Workstation notification service is a Windows service that updates your PhonePad message lists whenever a new message is received or sent. It is installed when PhonePad is installed. If PhonePad was unable to install it, the notification icon in the taskbar will flash red instead of a steady green. This message will also be displayed when you start PhonePad. To resolve this problem, click on the notification icon in the toolbar. Click the Install button. Click the Start button. Now click the Exit button. The notification icon will now be green. Close the warning message. Your inbox should now update whenever you receive a new message.